Yes, sir. Very, very, very happy evening to all. I hope that your studies are going very good and well. Exactly, we are having 15 days nearly for our examination. Sir, in this time, if you are going to write group number 1 in this Jan, this video is for you. I just want to tell you some important things to you, and I just want to give you a gift, which is 56 subsection to class 10. What is that? You would have already saw the thumbnail, but still. My dear lovable students, the next 10 days is going to be very important. Actually, after that 10 days, we are having 5 more days. That 5 more days is fully dedicated to the advanced accounting. That 5 days, I will give you a specific, exclusive 5 days planner for advanced accounting. Just follow that. You will be able to clear that with 70 plus. Sir, what I should do in this 10 days? Whether I have to study only accounts, only tax, only DT, only law? That's what I'm going to talk about today. The next 10 days, basically 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Because 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, we will be fully dedicated to advanced accounting, no other subject. So it is going to be a 10, 5 days plan. 10 days plan and 5 days plan. What should be my daily schedule from tomorrow? Sir, you should have 4 slots on a daily basis. 7 to 9, sir, IDT is what I am saying to you. Kalil endrichodane or 2 hours indirect tax 50 mark. 10 to 1 DT. 2 to 6 advanced accounting, because that is exam time mandatory. This, please don't change this, sir, to any other paper. Advanced accounting. And 7 to 10 law. If you want, you can keep 10 to 1 law and 7 to 10 DT, or 7 to 9 law and push the IDT to the 7 to 10. That is your choice based upon the presentation or the preparation weightage what you are having, my dear lovable students. I already uploaded, sir, the advanced accounting 15 days plan. That is what you are supposed to be completed. I am not disturbing that 2 to 6 plan. Within that plan itself, I am going to give you another 10 days plan. What you are supposed to do is daily give me 2 hours of your time for the indirect access. You are already giving me 3 to 4 hours of your time for advanced accounting. For the next 10 days, my dear lovable students, just 2 hours of your time for the IDT, which is a 50 mark area for examination. So 2 into 10 days comes to 20 hours you are going to invest. On what I have to invest that hours is very important. எதுக்கு மேல நான் அந்த 20 hours இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணணும்? 20 hours நீ இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ண வேண்டியது ஐடிடி ஒர்க் புக்குக்கு மேல. What is that workbook is all about, sir? This is what the workbook, you know, this time for the Jan 25 students, we have created a superb workbook for IDT, which is with ANM concept. My dear lovable students, sir, every chapter, whether it is supply, charge, composition levy, place of supply, exemption, tax invoice, debit note, credit note, time of supply, value of supply, registration, ITC, return, accounts and record, e-way bill, TDS, TCS, payment of tax and computation of GST payable, the hero, the first 10 mark question. So from this, we made a 350 question for this Jan attempt. What this questions is all about, sir? If you see, my dear lovable students, this is the workbook which we are using for this Jan, which comprises of every chapter. If any supplying a chapter, any chapter, I'm taking example as supply. It has been classified into 3 categories. Set A, Set N, Set M. Set A na ஆரம்பம், Set N na நடுவுல, Set M na main. Set A, all the ICA illustrations has been consolidated in one place. Because ICA illustration, sir, அங்கங்க இருக்கு sir. அது எல்லாமே ஒரு இடத்துல question with solution, that too colored material. Illustration number 2, answer. Illustration number 3, answer. Illustration number 4, answer. Illustration number 5, answer. 6, answer, like that. If you take the supply chapter, my dear lovable students, all the ICA illustrations has been, sir, aggregated in one place. Sir, ICA illustrations mattum poduma, sir? बता दो. You are having set number N, which is RTP and MTP question. Sir, this is RTP May 2018 question. Sir, this is MTP November 18 question. Like that from supply. Sir, RTP, MTP mattum poduma, sir. Set number M, the past examination question. This question has been asked in November 2018. This is May 2019 old syllabus. Sir, illustration number 3, May 22. And we are having May 23. Sir, we are having November 23. Like this, chapter wise we have done this time. This is going to be a beautiful gift for the students from my side, my dear lovable students. This soft copy, PDF, colored PDF, you can download from our site. From the ANM classes website, sir, this is freely downloadable now for this Jan onwards. And these all are updated. You can use it for your examination. With this, what you are supposed to do, I will tell you on a daily basis. Sir, if you are able to complete at least 15 questions, 15 questions at least if you are able to do, 15 into 10 days, 150 questions over. If you are well and good enough, 20 questions, 20 into 10, 200 questions over. That means out of our 350 questions, sir, 200 questions if you do, then itself more than enough. That you start with a beautiful important topics like ITC, one of the most important, and registration, another important, time of supply, value of supply, another important, place of supply, very important, RCM related question, charge of GST, then come to TDS and TCS and returns like that. Sir, is there any free resources available? Sir, will you upload the discussion of this time, next 10 days, if God willing? We are planning to revise the important topic at the IDT for Inter. Actually, which is from tomorrow morning onwards. That's what the schedule, because since I'm little busy with the face-to-face classes, now only I'm getting time to revise. So if time permits, if God willing, I will do surely 5 to 7 topics for you, for your benefit, my dear lovable students. And will be uploading certain important question from this workbook, which will be useful for you. That will not take so much of time. Sir, I'm planning to do computation of total income for the DT part and also from the IDT. And IDT, I will, sir, highlight you this computation of GST payable last 25 attempts question video we have uploaded for the last attempt. That marathon is available and it's going nearly 8K to 10K. It's going. If you want that resource, you can use. And from this chapter, supply and exemption, sir, full workbook we have uploaded in our YouTube channel. That is also available. Below this video, I will attach the link of all the resources. Supply is available, exemption is available, and computation of GST payable is available. So this 3 you can complete with the video itself. Then, my dear lovable students, in the coming 10 days, even in the face-to-face class itself, we have planned to revise this. So that output will surely come for you. So if you are able to give me morning or any 2 hours of your day at your choice, this is what I am preferring. If you want to shift any subject other than advanced accounting, you can do that, my dear lovable students. If you are able to do 15-20 questions a day, after 10 days, the game will be something different. You can score 30-35 mark in the IDT itself and another 30-35 mark in the DT. 70 marks is sealed. 70 marks is sealed in indirect access. Just give me 2 hours of your day. I will take care of your indirect access. A beautiful workbook this time. It's very happy and proud to, sir, give to my students, the whole South Indian students, my dear lovable students. What more? I'm wishing you all the very best for the coming January examination. If you have any requirements, sir, from my side, which I can do, you can text me in 959605001043. This is my number. I will try to upload next 10 days, sir, the revision video from my side. So I'm wishing you all the very best. Do very well, study very happily, and I will upload you even the 5 days, sir, the revision pattern for the advanced accounting also. We will meet with another useful video for you. Till that, thank you. Bye-bye from ANM.